In this session, we try to understand what is a compound assignment operator. So in the previous sessions, we understood what is assignment operator. Assignment operator is basically used to assign value to a variable or assign one variable to another variable. But what is compound assignment operator? Let us understand this with a program.
Hey, thanks for watching our content so far. If you are new to Training Mark, we're the fastest growing technology training company and create content to help freshers like you to master the disruptive technologies like full stack development, AML, cloud, DevOps, etc. If you like the content so far, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon not to miss any new content from us. Like and share this video with all your friends. Let's build your career and the community together.
To understand compound assignment operator, let me take a new Java class and then just say this as compound assignment operator. So now let me select the main class, main method. So now here I'll just say compound assignment operator. So what is a compound assignment operator is, whenever you're updating a variable value, then we use compound assignment operator. So what do you mean by that? Example, suppose you have a variable called salary and you want to update the salary value. So you want to add 1000 rupees, or you want to subtract 1000 rupees, or you want to do certain multiplication or division or whatever. So when you're updating a variable value, so usually how do you write the code? Example, suppose I have a chart and then I'll have a salary and then I'm defining salary value as 10,000. Now if I want to update this salary with 1000 rupees, so then what I do, salary plus 1000, right? So basically what actually happen here is, whenever you do some arithmetic operation, the chart, then we know that we are going to get an error. So we need to do a typecast here to convert that into chart, right? This is what basically we need because the right hand side data is short. Now this is how we print, right? I'll say updated salary. So plus salary. So here I'm not taking a new variable, rather I'm updating the data, I'm updating the salary. So now if you're doing this arithmetic operation, so simply what we do, salary is equal to salary plus 1000. So but here the type conversion has to be done. Now let me first run this to show you what actually happens. So it will print me 11,000 here. But the compound assignment operator makes it easy. So now how do you write a compound assignment operator is, whenever you do any arithmetic operation, so we use plus equals. So this is what updating the variable by using addition, and similarly we use minus equals, then multiplication equals, then we use division equals, then we use modulus equals. So we use compound assignment operator for different other operators too, but usually we use compound assignment operator only for basically arithmetic operations. So that's why I'm taking the example here. So instead of writing this here, so what I can do is I can simply say salary plus equals 1000. So the advantage here is, you see, you don't need any type conversion. By default your Java compiler will understand this and then will perform the type conversion for you, and you just simply have more readability here. You're just saying that salary I'm updating with 1000. So this is pretty much equivalent to the salary is equals to salary plus 1000. So this is how you basically use the compound assignment operator. So whenever you use a compound assignment operator, should be very, very careful of using when you're updating it with this. So suppose you have a different example. So let me run this. You will get the same output here. So the updated salary is going to be 11,000. So this will have more readability compared to this, which eliminates your type conversion as well. But what happens in this scenario, so let us take in another example, is equal to, suppose you have something like this, salary into 10 plus 100. I'm just taking an example here. Okay, so now here I'll just do a type conversion here. So whatever I do, now what basically I'm doing here is, before the type conversion, salary into 10 plus 100, right? This is what I want to do. So but what actually happening here is, based on operator precedence, for salary into 10 will be done, then plus 100 will be done, right? So but can I do with the compound assignment operator something like this, salary into equals 10 plus 100. Now in this case what actually happens? This results in different output, right? So now let me first print this, and then I'll just S out salary, right? Now I'll just say that as updated salary 1, right? So plus salary, just to give you an example. Now what actually the output that what you get here? So let me run this. If you can look at this updated salary 1, what I got is minus 2972. So basically this exceeds the range of short. That is what is happening. So instead of this, let me take it, this is 2. Okay, so because 10,000 into 2, 20,000 plus 100, so it is going to be so I think you guys got to know why it is giving, because it is exceeding the range. 1 lakh is not within the range of short. That's why it is now giving you a negative value. So let me run this. So now what do you see here? Now you see 22,100. This is what you got it, right? Now I will just comment this one. Okay, and then I will just print the same thing here to see what basically happens. So now let me comment this one as well, and then I'll print this. So earlier I got 22,100. So let me run this to print what actually happens. Now you see we got 30,352. Now in this case what basically happens? First 10 plus 100 will be calculated and that will be assigned to your salary. So that's the reason what basically happens is, so now here your salary is the updated salary value is 11,000, right? Now 11,000, 10 plus 110 is 110. Salary is equal to salary into 110, right? So that is going 1 lakh into 110, which is exceeding the range of short, and somewhere you are getting this value, right? This is not actually what you expect, but when you say 11,000 into 110, right? This is what is basically the equivalent operation that you are doing. So you should be so careful while you are doing the assignment operation. So here it is going to be first 110 will be calculated, right? So the right hand side is completely calculated. Then it will be multiplied with 11,000 into 110. So now if you can look at this, how much it is going to be. It's a very huge number, right? So that's where it will be downcasted to short, and then you're getting this value. So somewhere within the range of it. So that's why when you're doing a compound assignment operator, it is very, very important that you need to know what needs to be multiplied with what, right? In this case, you cannot use compound assignment operator. You have to use the appropriate normal statements. And while you're using compound assignment operator, again, you have to be very careful of the ranges. Otherwise, it leads to different values. So likewise, how we are using plus equals, you can use minus equals, you can use multiply equals, you can do division equals, and then percentile equals, or just to simply example with a simple thing. So now what I do, byte b is equal to 10, just to explain you, I'm just printing it directly. Okay, so I can say this as b minus equals to 10, right? So which basically prints you 0. Alright, then likewise I'll say b multiplication. Okay, let me reinitialize this. B equal to 10. Then if I want to say b multiplication equals to 5 is going to be 50. So then b equals to 10. Why I'm reinitializing it? Because I want to print with the value 10. Otherwise, it is going to be updated all the time. So b division equals to 5. So there shouldn't be any space between the arithmetic operation and then equals whenever you do compound assignment operator. So now S out, I'll say b, then I'll reinitialize b equals to 10. I'll say b modulus equals to 5, and then S out b. So this is a way basically use compound assignment operator. So let me run this just to see what is the output that you'll get. So this is what is the output that you'll get. So probably you can see and evaluate what is the answer. So this is what is a compound assignment operator and will be useful whenever you update a variable value. But very importantly, that it takes care about the type conversion automatically, but you should be very careful about the range.